Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the Bikey Air Jordan 4s, which is formerly known as the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4s. I hope I pronounced that right, but yeah. Alright, so here on the box we got Bikey Air. I love this box. This is probably like one of my favorite boxes, honestly. It's got like a cool texture if you could feel it. Like, also I just like the design of it. Looks like a brick, kind of. Feels like the brick by brick Jordan 4s. But yeah, I got it in a size 9.5 right here, and I'm actually excited to open these shoes up. Alright, so opening it up, we got the shoe and some laces. Okay, so we just got some white Jordan shoelaces, I guess. Pretty cool. I honestly prefer the red laces, but if you guys like white, then I guess this is for you. So taking the shoe out, here it is right here. Alright, so this is the shoe right here. It's like an all red Jordan 4 with a little bit of white, as you could see. This sneaker actually does look pretty nice, I can't lie. But yeah, let's go over some cool stuff about the shoe. So we got some suede all around here. As you could see, pretty cool, nice material. I always love suede. The only reason why I don't like suede is because you can't really wear it in the rain unless you really want to mess up your shoes. So yeah, but other than that, it's a cool all red shoe. We got like this, like, I don't know what this material is right here. Well, I guess this is also pretty cool. And you could actually see that it's a little bit different than previous Jordan 4s because you got a Nike logo right here. I've never seen this before, so I'm guessing this is only for the Bikies. I don't think this is for any other Jordan 4 coming out. But yeah, it gives it a pretty nice touch, I guess, because like it doesn't look all red from this angle. You got a little bit of white here. Also, this netting part and over here is reflective, so you can see it at like the night and stuff. Of course, it's not the night right now, so I can't really show you, but yeah, just take my word for it. So we got this cool little winglet thing. I always forget what it's called. I don't know why, but yeah, it just flicks up. Pretty cool. Just like a typical Jordan 4. Alright, so also on the front, you got the Jordan logo, which is pretty weird. It's like all red Jordan logo, and then you got the white flight. It looks kind of weird from here, but yeah, it's pretty chill. Alright, now this is just some weird attention to detail, but I saw that there is like a little like thing poking out here. I guess that's with all the Jordan 4s, the Bikey Jordan 4s, but yeah, I just thought I'd tell you. It's like kind of like you could feel it, but like maybe you can't see it on camera. Well, the other side, almost the same thing really. You got the white midsole with a darker red over here. You got like a translucent kind of sole over here, and you got the red stars. Oh wait, now moving on to the back, this is what like everyone knows this shoe by, I feel like, is it says Bikey Air instead of Nike Air. Now I do like this edition, however, I would not really want to wear this outside because, so I put this shoe in like my TikTok and YouTube and Instagram videos and stuff, and all the comments when I feature it always talk about Bikey Air. Like for some reason people still don't know about it, even though the shoe has been out for like a whole year. So personally, I'm probably not gonna wear these outside just because I don't want to get fake clowned on for having something that says Bikey instead of Nike. But yeah, other than that, the back tab flicks up right away, of course. Cool thing over here. Inside of the tongue, we got Jordan Biking Co. in 2017, I guess. Not sure what that means, but pretty cool. Inside of here, we just got something that just says go. I don't know, maybe that's like a cool slogan or something. I don't really know about Nigel Sylvester that much, so I can't really speak on him that much. But going to the bottom of the shoe, you see it says Nike instead of Bikey, which is pretty cool, I guess. So you got both Nike and you got both Bikey. Over here is like solid in the sole, but over here is like translucent, which I think is pretty cool. And you got white, and then the stars again with the red little Nike in the center, which I think looks pretty nice. But yeah, that's really it for the shoe, honestly. Also, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of surprised this shoe won the sneaker of the year in 2025. That is kind of crazy to me, honestly, no disrespect, but I think there are a lot nicer looking shoes maybe that released last year. Like, I'll show you guys a few right now. Here are just 2 other pretty cool shoes I feel like that released in 2025 that I feel like could have won sneaker of the year. This shoe is not bad, but honestly, I just feel like maybe something simpler like this could have won. A Jordan 4 White Cement or a Jordan 4 Gamma. They're both really clean shoes that could honestly go with anything. This shoe you could not wear as much because it's an all red shoe. You can't really match it with too much stuff, but it does stand out, so it is kind of understandable that it won sneaker of the year. But yeah. Also, here's the difference between the Nike and the Bikey. I know you guys probably could have imagined it, but I just want to show you guys here. But yeah, guys, that is it for the shoe. If you guys did enjoy the review, please consider comment, liking, and subscribing maybe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.